Good morning, Ishima.
Good morning.
How are you? Good? Very good. Are you writing your SA1 examination? Which subject is that? Is it English? Okay, start writing. Take pencil. Start writing. Turn the page. You can color this later. Fold it properly. Fold it back. Take your teacher's help. Now start writing. You need to tick only fruits, right? Start ticking the fruits.
Mango.
Very good.
Tick here.
Tick there. Saying that word and tick there. Hmm. 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 Good. Turn the page. Next, what do you need to do there? Circle the vegetables. Keep that box down, ma'am. Start. Keep that paper properly on the table. Yes. Circle the vegetables. Good.
Cucumber.
Good job.
Grapes.
Grapes, fruits or vegetable? Fruit or vegetable? Grapes.
Grapes.
Grapes, fruits or vegetables? You need to circle only vegetables, not fruits. Circle only vegetables that we cook and eat. Very good. Good job. Good job. No finger. Don't show any finger. Carrot can be eaten raw and you need to cook and eat if you want to make it curry. Then circle. Good. Turn the page. What do you need to do here?
Hello.
First letter. You need to identify the picture and you need to identify with the letter. F is missing, man. You write F there. In the order you write F. Good. Now take the pencil. First, what is the first picture? What is the first picture? Ishima, see first picture. What is that picture?
Hen.
Hen starts with the letter?
Head.
Very good. Draw the line.
Then match this.
Draw the line. Wonderful. Next.
Go.
Next, second picture. Second picture. Starting with the letter. Starting with the letter. Say the letter first. Letter. 11 start with the letter. Letter. What letter do you need to start with? Go to next one. Stop there. Which? Where is E? First draw the.
Draw the line.
Next go to third picture. What is the third picture? Third picture.
What is this? Go.
Very good. Draw the line.
What is this picture? Flower.
Draw.
Flower starts with the letter.
Good job. F onwards. Draw line. Draw line from flowers. Flowers. Show me flowers. Draw line. Yes. Good. Good. Very good. Next.
What is this?
Hmm.
Duck starts with the letter.
Duck starts with the letter. Starting with the letter.